Hey guys, and welcome back to The Genius Life. Today I'm taking you guys vegan shopping with me. I have a few subscribers and followers on Instagram, on my other platforms. They're looking to start transitioning into the vegan lifestyle, but they're trying to do it on a budget. So I decided to make this video to show you guys how easy it is to actually go vegan on a budget. The first thing I normally do when I get in the grocery store is I go straight to the produce section. Before we even get to the produce section, make sure that you're going to the grocery store as early as possible. They put out all the organic food earlier in the morning, and try to maybe talk to the manager at your local grocery store and figure out when the organic food is actually delivered to the store so you can get it when it's fresh. The thing that I find a lot about like local supermarkets like Giant and ShopRite, whatever kind of supermarket that you may have in your town, is organic food is not as popular because everybody just buys the regular stuff. So sometimes it does sit there for a little bit too long. Make sure you have a list. Depending on what you're buying, you want to have a meal plan. Today, I'm personally doing a meal plan for 3 specific recipes, but whatever you're looking for, you want to know exactly what ingredients you need, which ones you have at home, which ones you can leave for another time. If you specifically plan to do specific meals throughout the week, then that's your target. That's exactly what you're going to get, and you're going to move on from there. After you go to your produce section, then head on over to your dry goods. So today I'm picking up like some quinoa and some beans in the can, and I'm getting all organic stuff, guys. Yes, I'm picking up the store brand, but it is still organic. So if you're just transitioning or you're looking to go vegan, this is a great option for you in the beginning. And in future videos, I'm actually going to show you guys how to get even cheaper down to unit price by buying dried goods in bulk. And lastly, you want to head to your frozen section. You got your organic vegetables frozen, your organic frozen fruits, you've got even ice cream, vegan ice cream. But today we're sticking straight to the meal plan and we're keeping it moving. I'm not really picking up too much fruits or too many snacks and things like that because I really want to keep it strictly to the meals. Now I'll try to do another big haul that's including everything like your cereals, your grains, your fruits for juicing, for smoothies, and everything else. Now that is definitely going to be a bigger haul, but best believe you can do this on a small, strict budget. You just have to plan. Another good tip for going grocery shopping on a budget is to make sure you have the grocery store card. It's super easy to sign up. You can do it online, you can do it in the store, you can do it on an app because you want to get those points. My local grocery store actually gives points toward the gas station that's right outside of the supermarket. So the more you accumulate, the more you can use those points and get money off when you're pumping your gas. So make sure you get that card. You're going to get money off your food, obviously, and also other things depending on, what your supermarket offers. So this is the receipt that I got from today's purchase. Just to run through a few items, I got some frozen baby corn, coconut milk, pinto beans, kidney beans, black beans, avocados, bananas, and remember guys, this is all vegan, all organic. At the end of the day, I spent $84.59. I saved $4.74, and I gained 85 points. Once I get over 100 points, I will get 10 cents off each gallon of gas that I buy at my grocery store. So that's pretty good if you ask me. Like, I am ready to go get some gas in a little bit, So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know if you want to see more hauls, if you want to see more budget friendly vegan videos like this, because I think this is really good for my people that are just looking to transition into a whole new lifestyle and just change their lives, not only for themselves but for their families and generations to come. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.